Udio just dropped new features to compete with Suno, and in this video, I'll show you how to use them. Later on, I'll also share a bonus about Suno, since one of their most popular features just got an update that you should know about as well. Previously, I made a video showcasing Suno's new Exclude Styles feature. This feature allows you to prevent certain instruments, musical genres, or vocal genders from appearing in created songs. Shortly after, Triple-Headed Monkey 6613 shared that Udio released the same feature. I want to thank him for sharing that. Make sure to give him a follow. Now let me show you how to use this new feature in Udio. First, navigate to the Create section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is a section where you have more manual control over how you create a song. If you go down to Advanced Features and click the downward-facing arrow to expand the section, scroll down further, you see something called Style Reduction. Just like Suno's Exclude Styles, Style Reduction works as a negative prompt, giving you the ability to exclude specific aspects of a song. Keep in mind you need to be at least a standard subscriber to access this feature, but you can sign up for a free trial and cancel if needed. Here's a rock song I created in Udio.
I'm standing in the arena, feel a pulse in my veins. The crowd's roaring loud, they're screaming my name. Plates in my hand, the sunlight blinding my eyes. The sand is so clear, filled with falling cries. I fight for my life, every ounce of my mind. In the shadow of death, I rise tonight. Under the blazing sky, I'll battle endlessly with every strike. Writing my legacy, born as a warrior, destined to defy the higher wrong. When actions never die.
The song features a male vocalist with a punk rock kind of vibe. Let's start by remixing this song so we can reuse it. But this time we're going to go ahead and apply the style reduction. I'm going to exclude the male vocalist and the punk rock genre. You'll notice that as you type things, Udio will predefine what the attributes are. All that has to be done now is just click the remix button. Here's the new version of the song that was created using style reduction.
Stand in the arena, feel the pulse in my veins. The crowd's roaring loud, they're screaming my name. The lights in my hand, the sunlight light in my eyes. The sand is the tread filled with fallen cries. The fight for my life, every ounce of my might. In the shadow of death, I'll rise tonight. Under the blazing sky, I'll battle endlessly. With every strike, I'm writing my legacy. Born as a warrior, destined to defy. In the heart of Rome, where legends never die.
Now we've got a female vocalist instead, and the song has almost a ska vibe to it, very No Doubt if you're familiar with that band. I do want to mention that it took a few generations to get it right, so just keep that in mind when you're trying it yourself. The second feature Udio released is the ability to trim songs. Previously, you had to remix a song first in order to crop out portions, but Udio has made this much easier now. To trim a song, simply navigate to the one that you want to adjust in your library, click the three dots, and now you'll have a trim option available. Click on it and you have some vertical cursors that you can move around in order to cut out the portion of the song that you want to keep, and then click the trim button. If you made a mistake or you want to retrim the audio, Udio makes that easy too. Just go back to the song in your library, click the three dots again, and you'll now see trim has an expanded menu where you can edit the trim to bring it back, or you can even revert back to the original song before you made any edits. Now let me show you the feature that Suno just updated, which is the upload audio feature. You can now upload audio clips up to 120 seconds or 2 minutes, whereas previously it was limited to just 60 seconds. This feature is available to Pro and Premier subscribers only. I love how healthy competition is bringing out the best in both services. When Suno or Udio releases a new feature, the other quickly adapts to stay competitive. This rivalry benefits you, the consumer, because whichever AI song generator you prefer, you won't miss out on the latest features. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on new content. And if you want to get even more creative with AI tools, I have more content popping up right here that you can click on.